Howdy, I got bad news for you. Robert's eating your food.
You don't even love me. You just want my snacks.
Do you want to come over and cuddle with me? No? Yeah? Okay.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
Would you like a carrot? Take.
Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
Let's go tell Daddy to stop working. Come on.
Bro, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
No bite.
You look just like your mama. Oh, mama.
I love you.
Cause I don't know why you even left it open. If you was done, you'd have came. Girl.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
Big smile, Holly. A good girl.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a dog.
I can't help you at the moment, dude. I'm a little indisposed.